So, in our last part of the journey, we found ourselves by the ticking clock. So let's unwind, get ourselves settled, and close our eyes. Now, Effie's storm leads you into the lounge, where you see a fire. As the house is currently frozen in time, so too is this fire. Imagine what that would look like for a moment. It's like an ice sculpture, but made of fire. Effie leans against the mantelpiece. You start to hear crackles and notice as the fire starts to move again. Today, in the crackles of time, is where we find our calm. So let's take a nice, warming breath in. And take a couple of breaths here to settle ourselves in. Then settle into your normal breathing and just follow your breath and enjoy this moment by the fire. Today I'm not going to lead this in any other way. I'm just going to say enjoy the warmth of the fireplace and try to focus on the now and nothing else except you and the crackles. And we'll do this for 1 minute. Okay, you can open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this warm and crackly moment in time.